Listen and read.
A. Amazing. Awake. Divide. Poor. Sick. Slip. Tie. Trouble. On board. A ship, plane. To set out. B. Amazing. An amazing story. To have an amazing time. To do an amazing job. It's amazing how much children can remember. Divide. To divide something into parts, groups. To divide something between, among, somebody. To divide by 2. To divide by 3. To divide by 5, etc. Divide the cake into small pieces. Divide the class into 3 groups. Divide how you would like to divide the money among the children. Divide 9 by 3. Awake. To be awake. To remain awake. To lie awake. To keep somebody awake. I have been awake for hours. My granny says she often lies awake at night. We were kept away all night by the noise. Pour. To pour some water into a bottle. To pour somebody a drink. Sit down and I'll pour you some juice. Tears were pouring down her face. It's not raining, it's pouring with rain. Sick. 1. I have eaten something. I'm going to be sick. She always feels sick at sea. 2. A sick person. My friend was sick with flu for a week. Slip, slipped, slipped. 1. To slip on a wet floor. Margot slipped and broke her arm. 2. To slip into the room. To slip past somebody. To slip out of the house. Jane slipped out of the flat unnoticed. Tie. To tie a tie. To tie up a horse to a tree. The criminal's hands were tied behind his back. Many young mothers feel tied to their babies in home. Trouble. To have trouble with someone. To get into trouble. To be in trouble. To run into trouble. The trouble started when I changed my job. I don't think you'll have trouble with John. Her arrival will cause me more trouble. On board a ship, on board a plane. The plane had 125 passengers and crew on board. The police came on board the ship. To set out. After 3 days in the suburbs of Rome, the travellers set out again.